Hi dear students, welcome back to our channel and Vinay Kumar Basics of Physics. Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss about the ray diagram of a convex lens in the case of when the object is placed between optic center and focal point. What is the case? When the object is placed between optic center and focal point. So children, I already uploaded so many videos for regarding the ray diagrams of the convex lens. So I already given playlist in the description. You must check it in that playlist. All the videos are available of this particular chapter. Okay children, without late I am going to the topic here, ray diagram of a lens. So case object is placed between the focal point and optic center. సో చిల్డ్రన్ అసలు రే డయాగ్రామ్స్ అంటే ఏంటి, వాటికి సంబంధించిన రూల్స్ ఏముంటాయి అవన్నీ నేను వీడియోస్ చేసి అప్లోడ్ చేశాను. రే ఆప్టిక్స్ మనకి ఏవైతే రే డయాగ్రామ్స్ ఉన్నాయో వాటికి సంబంధించిన అన్ని రూల్స్ డయాగ్రామ్స్ అన్నీ కూడా ఈ చాప్టర్ యొక్క ప్లేలిస్ట్లో ఉన్నాయి. రిఫ్రాక్షన్ ఆఫ్ లైట్ ఎట్ కర్వ్డ్ సర్ఫేస్ అని ఒక ప్లేలిస్ట్ ఉంటుంది, దాంట్లో ఉండి చూసుకోండి. ఓకేనా చిల్డ్రన్, దిస్ ఇస్ అ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ కేస్. Object is placed between focal point and optic center. So children, first thing is we have to go for a lens. So here it is the one biconvex lens. So biconvex lens మనం డబుల్ హెడ్ హ్యారోతో చూపిస్తాం, అది చూసుకొని జాగ్రత్తగా. And next thing is this is the principal axis. Clear? For a biconvex lens, on left side we have f1 and c1, on left side we have f2 and c2. It is there. Clear children? Now what is the situation? Object is placed between the focal point and optic center. Now here it is the object where it is simply between the optic center and f2. So obviously one ray is parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, that should be passed through the focal point. This is the focal point. Clear? And next thing is the second ray is passing through the optic center. Passing through the optic center, children. So little bit okay. It is passed through the optic center. So this is the light ray that should be passed through the optic center. There is no deviation for it. And after that, here we have to extend the ray which is passed through the optic center. That should be extended like this. Clear? Now, and that should be forms the image on the same side, like this. Clear? So what do you observe children? When the object is between optic center and focal point, then image is formed on same side as object. Clear children? When the object is, but this is the optic center children, this is now what it is, this is the optic center. When this is the object center and this is the focal point, what do you find? This is the focal point. In between these two, what you have? This is the object and this is the image. Clear? So in this case you have to understand that object is here and from that one light ray is parallel to the principal axis. After the refraction is passes through the focus, and next thing it is the another ray that should be incident normally at the optic center without deviation. That should be goes like this. So here we are extending the refracted ray backward like this, then we are getting the image. So children, the image what we are getting due to the extension of the refracted rays, that is the virtual image. The image what we are getting by extending the refracted rays, that is called as virtual image. Here this is the virtual image on the same side. So children, now nature of the image, the first thing is here, it is erect image. How it is there? Erect image. So it is same as the object ఎలా ఉంటుందో ఇది కూడా సేమ్ అలానే నిటనిలుగా ఫామ్ అయింది కాబట్టి it is the erect image. And the second thing is what it is enlarged. So enlarged also called as magnified image. And third one, it is what is virtual image. This is the virtual image. So the nature of the image what it is? Erected, magnified and virtual image we are getting when the object is placed between the focal point and optic center. Children, very simple to draw, but you have to remember very nicely. It is the most important. It is not only important for 10th class, the people who are writing the competitive exams also, for them also it is important. So children, that's why while you are watching the video, you must prepare the notes. So you have to remember the case and how you are getting the image. Okay children. So children, I will upload all the videos in our channel. That's why you have to watch very carefully in my channel from 9th to MCET, intermediate, MCET, NEET, up to all videos are available. That's why keep in touch with my channel. It will be useful to you. Thank you.